this boy there? I'll go. What? I'll go this house if you have. Body.
Oh, Nana.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
Why? Don't go to school. Me today, I have problem. My yesterday night, my stomach. It's green.
Oh.
If I go to private,
It's running.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I make soft.
Okay, it will go.
Yeah, I take medicine.
Yo, I see teacher Zacchaeus.
Yeah.
And he told me my income is with you, 4 months income. You see me every day, it's with you. So I'm coming to take it.
That one is true.
Okay. And go inside and bring it.
It's not here now. It's true that your income is there. Those people around, I give everybody money to him.
Okay.
Yeah,
and
but
you didn't give my income.
That time you are. I tried to get you, but they said that time you are in the your place.
Yeah.
You are
I'm preaching to the gospel.
So I didn't come there. So the money is there.
Is there? Okay. Go inside.
But not here. Here is not safe to put the money here.
So where is it?
I put it in bank.
Bank.
Yeah.
Share. My money is bank.
Kafefe Bank.
Kafefe Bank.
Yeah.
And you put my money at. Name, did I tell you I want to put my money at Kafefe Bank?
You see, now you are here. You say you are come for your money. I can't put the money here. If somebody will steal.
If I'm not around, why didn't you do me mobile money?
I don't know your number. I don't know your telephone number. How can you do mobile money?
Body, don't try to be smart. Don't play trick.
Oh, Nana, I respect you a lot.
Because if it is trick, we are comfort, we the fetish priests, we are trickers. We can trick. So you can't come and trick me. Go inside and bring my money so I will go in peace.
I put the bank money there. The money in the bank. It's for you still. So what's your problem? I'll blame Nana Ekufuado. I'll blame him.
For what?
Say he cancelled some of the banks. So the bank is among.
So my money, where my money is also among.
Today I decided to come to school to see, but because of my stomach problem.
Body. So you want to tell me my money is not coming anymore? You don't.
So how much I should give you?
6 million. You owe me 6 million.
Why would you charge 6 million? You are 2 million. Sure. Or you don't know your money.
Everybody is taking 4 million. So my own is 4 million.
Listen, the white lady, he said you are not good in the learning. So you have to give you 2 million.
Me 2 million?
Yeah, 2 million.
Body, you don't know whom you are dealing with.
Why I'm selling you?
Body, you want to steal? You don't know. You Nana. See, it's because of you why I go and call my comfort camel. If I kill you, is it wrong?
This is not killing affairs.
Sure, when the catcher says not killing matter.
If you kill, what do you get?
I will take your building and give it to rent. Go and bring me my money.
The 3 weeks I'll give you the money to
you. So 3 weeks now, or last year, no.
Yeah, 3 weeks.
Or last is your last.
The bank manager said 3 weeks, so how can I say anything?
But I'll kill you. I will kill you right now. Are you giving me my money or
you? 3 weeks. I'll give you.
I should go 3 weeks. But you know, sir,
what are you trying to do?
I told you I brought the ghost. Who has mathematical? Body? Who has mathematical? If I talk to the ghost right now, are you paying or you are not paying?
The money I'll bring it.
You are bringing or you are not bringing?
3 weeks.
I should talk to the
ghost. Oh, 3 weeks.
Well, because I don't yes you. If you are a man like me, try me and see. I'm waiting tomorrow. If I don't get my money, this thing I've done. If I don't get my money by tomorrow, you will die. You will die. Finish.
Oh God, give me vision to drive this thing away. Because how can I do? Okay. Yeah, God, I have sleep. Broom. Thank you, God. You can't kill me. Hukum kwa medi. Nonsense.
He's beating me, man. What? I see you cleaning my cantation. That's what you are coming. You are cleaning my charm. I've charmed you. I'm killing you. You don't want to die. I put it on the floor. You sweep. Now I'm not putting it on the floor. Since I will kill you, I'm putting it in your water. If you drink, you will die. You will see. I will kill you.
God, please, another vision. Otherwise, you will kill me. Are you sure, God? Okay.
Wow.
Hey! Why?
Wow.
Why want to kill me? Why?
You want to be...
Oh,